In a world of rain, two retards must unite. Drug-fueled war crimes, dish shit, and plenty of rain. This next installment into the Casvid cinematic universe will make you question your gender identity.
Going through this hole?
Yeah, and it's pretty tight, I must admit.
Me when the holes are tight and the goals are height. Guess what?
What?
Oh yeah, this is true 720p rank game gameplay.
Nuh-uh. Full 1080.
For you, maybe.
For real.
Oh, it just dropped to 144, but at least it's not lagging.
Shit, my fucking cursor on the screen right now. This is fucking trash.
Yeah, I also had that as garbage when I have done. Oh, the scroll mod. Where my precious scroll mod?
Why the rank game so terrible?
Oh my!
Hoe kun je het ermee?
Kill Mr. Popplant.
Ah boom, chicka boom.
Should I? Woman? Should I like? Hello, funny?
Doe het. Oh, grab that spear, grab that spear, grab that dome! Oh, so dumb! Fucking trash. Hey, that's fucking mine, you bitch!
That's...
Bada boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Look at that infinite food source right there. That's murder him.
I want this! I
Hey,
have
go
this funny
and
look.
murder that motherfucker.
Hey, where are you going?
Get
Hey,
back
go
here
back.
with your children!
Hey!
I'll guard the door, I'll guard him! Fuck!
You fucking suck!
I'm going back for him. Don't worry. Hold on.
Now he can also breathe. Do we not have any murder weapons nearby?
It's volgens mij is er een murder weapon in deze tunnel.
Yeah, but you fool are only one way.
Damn. Don't blame me for everything at this point.
But you're the one who
Kill this motherfucker!
Execution! No! You are dead. Get fucking owned.
You absolutely suck.
I
Okay.
do want this weapon though.
Hey, don't do that.
Don't do that. Hey, don't do that.
We
They're
need to
fucking. They're in the little hole now. Hold on, let me. You.
What the hell? Dumbass ring game foreground object. You are so much slower than me. You are so dumb.
Me.
No, they're mine.
Yeah,
They're mine. They're mine. Get back here. No, they're mine.
Children.
No, mine.
Oh, you're not gonna get. That is your big ass lizard.
I'm killing him. Man, our fruit is in there.
I just double clicked vierkantje and it just did that.
Oh, het gaat regenen, you're dead.
I was not
Oh, you're
informed
not
about
dead.
it. Unless I suck balls.
Okay, throw the spear in the wall, throw the spear in the wall there. That's not a spear. What are you doing? Okay, nice. Gooi je rook. Oh my god.
Wow, thank you Reddit. That's the highest karma.
We're at the top of the subreddit now. Thank you so much.
I know this will. I will never make it so hot. How did this get in here?
What? I got you, baby. I got you, my back. Er zijn er 2.
Oh, did this happen?
And he just kept on fucking popping in like my face.
Popping in your face?
All up in your face.
All up in your face. Your whole face.
Whoa!
Whoa! New secret speaker mechanics.
Let's be honest, I've never cried to music. I would
Shimmy,
never
shimmy,
write
yes,
a love
shimmy,
song.
yes.
Let's
It
be
don't
honest.
matter, just...
I am a man.
Shimmy, yeah. It's right, swalla la la.
Nee! Shimmy, yes, shimmy, yeah.
It's right, swalla la la. Can I please?
Swalla la la. Swalla la la.
How the fuck do you get up here?
Man, you are so incredibly dumb. I don't even know how dumb you, like how you got this dumb. For real. Look at this.
What?
Harassment. Oh, don't eat me!
I love the no camera scroll.
I also love the no-camera scroll. Give me this. Oh, what?
My brain getting fucked by 75% of the pixels all of a sudden changing is the best.
Real, like, dan moet je helemaal zoeken waar je weer bent.
Yeah.
Oh, het gaat regenen. Oh, het gaat regenen. Oh, het gaat
Where
regenen. Oh, het gaat
do we
regenen.
go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go?
In de linker. Niet de middels!
Move!
That's too easy.
We escape the rain once more. Come on, man. That's too easy.
Mhm. Huh? 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 If my fucking Wi-Fi go out, then you just shut the fuck up. Oh hell no.
Here.
Hey, that's mine.
No, you flew your way trying to find the one fucking axolotl. Kill yourself.
No, kill yourself. I collected one on the way to the shelter.
You can suck on my balls if you're on my way to the shelter. That is mine.
No, that's mine. We already have a fucking flower, you
You can't just fucking say nuh-uh, disregard every argument.
Yeah, I fucking can. Oh my man, I don't wanna do this shit, man. Oh wait, it's not even that bad. Have a go. Oh hell no.
It's me, yo!
Yo, be honest with me. Tell me the truth, man. Have you ever been fucked this good?
No, okay.
You have never been fucked this good.
No, okay.
You serious, nigga? You fine as fuck, bro. You ain't never been fucked this good.
Falling to death.
Leeches!
Get out of here.
We need to go there. I think, if I remember correctly from 5 seconds ago.
My memory from 4 seconds ago serves me correct. We need to go here.
No, the cum tunnel!
No! Oh, we're being fucked! We're being fucked!
Speer.
Yeah, Emilian, of course we saw that.
We're gamers after all. If we see the like white thingy go, we know it's a spear. Why does Harm send me gay porn? I don't know either, man.
Yeah, that's
Good
correct.
question.
Good point.
Oh no, not these motherfuckers. They're like, you know what, you have property, I want it. And he's like, I want my spear. Yeah, you better fucking leave, idiots.
Hey, yo!
Did Emilian just leave? Wait.
Is that the scavenger merchant? And do I have 1 coin? Hey, hello, scavenger merchant. Do you want this coin? Oh, the riches! That's my collect the rich.
Collect. The funny on this one.
We we got all the fucking riches. I'm about to insta-kill some innocent and creature. No!
Dit is zeker speer.
I took
Yeah.
one of our murder
Oh!
weapons. Hey!
What the hell? How do I get up here?
Do you want some more water with those leeches you are?
What are you on about?
The fucking perfect heist dog?
Yeah, like...
I'm not going this way, you're gonna take our funny riches.
Wait, I got an idea. We place our riches right there. And then we're gonna get some lower grade riches. What do you think about this idea, Jasper?
Genius, do not fall down into the leech pit.
Don't touch me inappropriately. Oh my god, I see a monkey right there.
Wait, is he gonna take our spears?
He's gonna take our spear. No, don't take this! We need to fucking go fast before that dumbass monkey steals our shit.
Monkey, we made friends with you. We gave like one of your kind one little useless pearl. This is everything, right?
It's
If
still
he
here.
takes your shit,
It's still
yeah,
here.
I think
Don't do this!
we might just declare war, alright?
Grrr! Grrr!
Oh,
Yeah, take the monkey spears. No!
no! That's war. That's an act of war.
This is war, IRS. This means war. Okay, go quick.
Fuck.
What happened?
You know that once you're like, hi, I'm a supermodel, I just moved the next door like the fucking weirdo, like, I don't care who the IRS since I am not paying my taxes.
And this, now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna grab this spear. We're gonna move like in front of their faces. They're gonna grab it. Then we grab this and we fucking bolt. Alright? Don't grab my
Okay.
shit. Please don't grab my shit. They actually just left. No! No! No!
Leave. Okay, okay, it's not working again, okay?
New plan.
We do it again.
What? And now they just let me pass. Oh, they didn't.
Take my riches! No!
Please don't take my riches.
They left. No, there's another one.
No,
You can
no,
take it. You can take these riches. Yes, leave.
Leave that shit.
No, there's another one. No. What if I
I'm
can get past no balls?
What the fuck? I might need to use my riches for this one. Al die dingen hebben ons...
Er word ik leech aan.
We hebben alle weapons aan de hun gegeven.
En nou je hebt dat vind ik niet hoor. Daar ligt nog eentje.
Ik zie hem. Oh, no,
Just the mask keeps deflecting it.
yeah, but normally like the mask would like break off because I'm stronger. The monkey's going to murder us!
Wait, I need the camera, I need the camera.
Oh, grab it then. I killed him.
Oh, je had riches!
Bro! Erheen!
Oh my god, we're gonna need to move. Eruit.
Hold on. I need to try this one more time. Fuck you!
I don't know where I'm going.
Just go to the right. Just go wherever.
Where even am I?
I don't want there.
There's no hole here. It must be.
There must be a hole. I won't believe otherwise. Okay, go up. I'm too slow. Yes! Ain't no way! My genius!
We're saved, bitch! Let's go! We keep our 100% in the corner for now.
Hey yo, let's go!
Fucking retardism. Holy shit.